Lace knitting doesn't have to be complicated, and this butterfly lace bandana is proof. I'll show you how to knit it step by step, you'll be able to make it any size and then use this lace pattern in other projects too. You can use any yarn you like. Since it is a summer accessory, I recommend to use plant-based yarn. I knitted two versions. One in Drops Belle, it is 53% cotton, 33% viscose and 14% linen on 4mm needles. And one in Lana Grossa, Linea, Pura, Lina. It is 20% linen and 80% recycled linen on 3.5mm needles. Each bandana took 50 grams, so one full skein. This bandana has a triangle shape. We start from the bottom and knit up in lace pattern with increases on both sides. Cast on 3 stitches. Row 1, purl all stitches. Row 2. Slip 1 stitch knitwise, make 1 left, knit 1, make 1 right, knit 1. Row 3. Slip 1 knitwise, purl all stitches to the last stitch. Knit 1. Row 4. Slip knitwise, make 1 left, knit to the last stitch, make 1 right, knit 1. Row 5. Slip knitwise, purl all stitches to the last stitch. Knit 1. Now we start the lace pattern. Row 6. Slip knitwise, make 1 left, knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, slip, slip, knit, make 1 right, knit 1. Row 7. Slip knitwise, purl all stitches to the last stitch. Knit 1. Row 8. Slip knitwise, make 1 left, knit 1, knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, slip, slip, knit, knit 1, make 1 right, knit 1. Row 9. Slip knitwise, purl all stitches to the last stitch. Knit 1. Row 10. Slip knitwise, make 1 left, knit all stitches to the last stitch, make 1 right, knit 1. Row 11. Slip knitwise, purl all stitches to the last stitch. knit 1. We have just finished rows 6 to 11. That's your first butterfly done. Now we repeat rows from 6 to 11 while increasing the number of butterflies. With each repeat, you will add one more butterfly. Don't worry, I will walk you through it. Row 6. Slip knitwise. Make one left. Knit 2 together. Yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, slip, slip, knit, knit 1, and now we repeat the lace pattern. Knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, slip, slip, knit. Make one right. Knit 1. Row 7, slip knitwise, purl all stitches to the last stitch. Knit 1. Row 8, slip knitwise, make one left, knit 1, knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, slip, slip, knit, knit 1, and the second lace pattern. Knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, slip, slip, knit, knit 1. Make one right. Knit 1. Row 9. Slip knitwise, purl all stitches to the last stitch. Knit 1. Row 10, slip knitwise, make one left, knit all stitches to the last stitch, make one right. Knit 1. Row 11, slip knitwise, purl all stitches to the last stitch. Knit 1. And we finished the second lace pattern. Here we have 2 butterflies. Now we repeat the rows from 6 to 11. Let me explain briefly what is going on. First of all, remember that in every row the first stitch should be slipped knitwise and the last stitch should be knitted in every right side row and in every wrong side row. All wrong side rows are very simple. You just purl all stitches except the first one and the last one. When you repeat the row 6, we slip knitwise and then we make one left. And then we start our lace pattern. Knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, slip, slip, knit. It is the first butterfly. Now we have to knit 1 because there is one stitch between the butterflies. And now we repeat the butterfly pattern. Knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, slip, slip, knit. And again we have to knit 1 because there should be one stitch between the butterflies. And then we repeat the butterfly pattern. Knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, slip, slip, knit. When we came to the last stitch, it means that we finished with the butterfly pattern. Now we make one right and knit 1. In every wrong side row, we slip one knitwise and purl all stitches to the last stitch. Knit 1. When we repeat row 8, we slip one knitwise, make one left, Now we should knit one. It is the stitch we increased in the row 6. Then we repeat the butterfly lace pattern. Knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, slip, slip, knit. Now we knit 1, it is the one stitch between 2 butterflies. And now we repeat the butterfly pattern. Knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, slip, slip, knit. And again, 1 knit. It is the stitch between the butterflies. Then we again repeat the butterfly pattern. Knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, slip, slip, knit. Now knit 1, it is the stitch we increased in row 6. Don't forget to make one right and knit 1. Every wrong side row we slip 1 knitwise and purl all stitches to the last stitch. Knit 1. When we repeat row 10, we slip 1 knitwise, make 1 left, knit all stitches to the last stitch, make 1 right, knit 1. Again, in every wrong side row we slip 1 knitwise and purl all stitches to the last stitch. Knit 1. Now we have 3 rows of butterflies. Now we repeat rows from 6 to 11 until the desired length. Measured from the custom point up. My bandana measures about 25 centimeters. When you knitted bandana to the desired length, work 2 rows of 1 by 1 ribbing to prevent the edge from curling. Slip knitwise, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, and repeat it to the last stitch. Knit 1. On the wrong side we slip 1 knitwise, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, repeat it to the last stitch. Knit 1. Bind off loosely using the yarn over bind off. Slip knitwise, then the next stitch is knit, so that's why we yarn over from front to back. Knit 1 and pass the yarn over the stitch and pass the previous stitch over the stitch. Now the next stitch is purl, so that's why we yarn over from back to front. Purl 1, then we pass yarn over the stitch and pass the previous stitch over the stitch. The next stitch is knit, so we yarn over from front to back. Knit 1, pass the yarn over the stitch and pass the previous stitch over the stitch. The next stitch is purl, so we yarn over from back to front. Purl 1, pass the yarn over the stitch and pass the previous stitch over the stitch. Now repeat it until all stitches are bound off. Weave in the ends and block your bandana. You can find this pattern on Ravelry and add it to your project there. I'd love to see your finished bandana, so don't forget to share your results. You can also share your finished projects on Instagram with the hashtag #knitboardbutterflybandana or by tagging me. I'd love to see your works. If you enjoyed this video, I'd love it if you subscribed for more knit and crochet tutorials. Thanks for watching!